The bass horn from Pia. This is a custom bracket that I made. Just a piece of stock that I got from the hardware store and some bolts, Loctited. But yep, did all the soldering myself on the connectors. Factory plug here for the power, and then the ground I'll just tie into the center bolt, for which all I have to do is add a washer. You'll see in a second. And then the bracket, if I get the light where I need to get it, it's dark now. There's a metal tab here, and on the other side that support this bracket. This is the bracket that I had to pull forward to get it out of the way of one of the terminals. You can see right there. Just pull it forward a little bit, just so it doesn't rub on that wire. Got the ground wire right here. I used the longer bolt because the white one that was originally here was, and you'll see the washers behind. Well, it's between my bracket and the frame to keep this square across. Yep. And it sounds good. I'm happy.